1970 something. 1970 something. Nigga, I don't sweat the date. My mom's is late. I wish Mars would hurry up so I could get buck. Wild juvenile ripping mics and shit. New York, ready for the likes of this. Then came the worst date. And I ain't even took my first step. I made it out, I'm bringing mad joy. The doctor looked and said he's gonna be a bad boy.
I remember back in time, before all the homies died, before all the diamonds and lights. I knew that I was going somewhere. Let me take it back in time, before I even caught the ride.
Coming straight from the underground. A young nigga got it bad cause I'm brown. And not the
just like Moulin Rouge. High fashion, uptown Air Force Ones and Vasquez. Puerto Ricans with fat asses, Blaze Dutch masters. We dump ashes on models in S-classes for you bastards. Catch a cab to Manhattan with that Broadway acting. You hype that belly shit and get you captain. Wrapped in plastic, tell the captain, ask Raj what's happening. I hear nor speak, no evil inside the bag.
I remember back in time, before all the homies died.
hit 'em up. Now you tell me who won. I see them, they run. They don't wanna see us.